closed, and we need to belong. We need to make one strong fist with each other to make strong Ewako again. First thing would go through my head was emotion, and because from the time when I was a coach of PSM Makassar, we was really successful in terms that we win the prize after 20 years, and on that time that was really emotional time because all Makassar enjoy days after the winning the prize, and I think we celebrate a couple days. But especially the time, the road during the season and also during the Piala was very emotional because our old stadium was always full, and I get a really good time with our fans, and especially with the players on that time and the people who I work with. So you mentioned very good. I work with a lot of people, with a lot of clubs, but working in PSM Makassar was very pleasured and takes always special place in my heart. So first thing was emotional, of course, and after that, when we talk about the situation of PSM and where is PSM today in comparing with the years ago, yeah, then we start about talking about project, and then was more business-minded thing, but on the first thing was emotional. Of course, when after leaving PSM Makassar, I always follow PSM Makassar. Like I say before, PSV Makassar take one big piece of my heart, and that's why I always follow PSV Makassar. I think we in the year when I work, not only me, but especially on that time, Mr. Rapi Munafri, he put a strong fundament, technical fundament in the team, which makes me also able to win the prize with the players on that time. Like I say before, I get also very good players on that time, and identity of PSM Makassar, you can feel every game, identity in terms of who we are and what our fans want to see from players, and I think that fundamental take over also the coach after me, who makes him able also to be champion of Indonesia. So to see comparing PSM Makassar from that time and comparing today, of course, was going something wrong in terms that PSM doesn't perform like then. So that's why I'm here today to improve, try to improve, and do everything to improve PSM Makassar, to bring him back there where PSM Makassar belongs to be. The current team today of PSM Makassar is changed a lot with the team in the time when I was a coach, of course, and also the time with PSA Makassar win the prizes. That's normal. I think every team is changed from that time and time today. I was analyzing PSA Makassar, of course, because before I was signing the contract, and I watch a lot of games. And I think that PSA Makassar lost also identity. And identity of PSA Makassar is to play for the fans every game, to fight as a team. Our slogan is Ewako, and our fans needs to see Ewako in every minute on the field. Of course, fans understand also that we cannot win every game, but I learned one thing from my time as a coach, that the fans can also go satisfied back home if they can identify himself with the way of playing of the players of PSA Makassar, and that needs to be Ewako. And I didn't see really every game Ewako this year, and that's why this is the first thing what we want to work on, to perform as a team and bring the culture 100% back in the team. Did I need to close eyes now? I close eyes many times and think about that, not only about that moment in particular, but also about all my period working by PSA Makassar. But which I remember on that time was the moment when I step up on the field before the game, in home game. And when I saw the fans and the stadium, then I get a strong feeling that we never can lose the game and that we will win PL Endurance. What most memorable was on that time and was last whistle of the referee. And I believe on that time that stadium will collapse. And the happiness which I see on the fans and on the people around me, on the bench, like Mr. Api Minafri and all other colleagues, was enormous. And everybody ran the field and sharing the happiness with each other. And the stadium was shaking. On the ground you can feel also the stadium was shaking, and so that's something what you never forget, and that's why I am the coach, to remember those moments, and those moments also give me energy and belief to be today again coach of PSA Makassar. That was our successful season, and on the time when I was here as a coach was 8 years ago. During the 8 years, something also happens inside of PSA Makassar, which bring PSA Makassar today on the place number 15 in the Super League, which is, to be honest, for me, not realistic. But there are, of course, reasons, objective reasons why PSA Makassar is finish on the place number 15. So I think it's most important is to analyze the main reasons why we make fall down, and after taking conclusions, what are the main reasons, we need to work on that. Of course, we already discussed that with the staff members, with the people who are working by PSA Makassar, and we need to work on that. First of all, on that reasons, to recover that, because fundamental to be successful needs to be good. And like I say before, fundamental on my time when I was a coach in the previous time as of PSA Makassar was really strong because of people on that time, because of Mr. Api Munafri, who built up strong structure and also good team. And we get also good players. So we need to build that again, and that is working step by step. Reasons why PSA Makassar is falling down to number 15 are, of course, couple. We don't play anymore also in Makassar, and we want to go back to Makassar. We are, of course, very happy with the hospitality which we get in Pare Pare, and thankful, but we belong to Makassar, of course. Our fans are here, so and this is the process which is not like a turning light in the room on and off, and today is not good and tomorrow is immediately everything good. So that's why also the club offered me the contract of 3 years long contract to build up step by step all this process, to build up a strong fundament, and of course, and in these years also come back to Makassar, to our fans. The cloth between our fans and the team needs to be again closer to each other, needs to be one, because Ewako is always one, and that's why it's also important that we come back to Makassar. And everybody is working on that also very hard on that point. So we have a lot of things to do and improve, and we believe we can do that all together, and everybody is willing to do also all together. The style of winning is identity of every coach, and on that time we played the football on the base of quality of the players what we have. Today we have maybe some different kind of players, but now we have a chance also to build up the team to play in the same style how I also play on that time. One thing is most important, and that is the style who belong by PSA Makassar and the culture of this club, and that's playing with the heart, that's playing as a team, that's playing that the fans feel the culture of PSA Makassar in every game. On that time I remember I give a chance for a lot of many of young players of PSA Makassar. I can mention some Aji, Asnawi, Arfan, Eskieka. They all make minutes in my time and start to become the players, because young players feel on that time that they are proud to play for PSA Makassar. And this is something what I think very important, that all players show that they are proud to wear the shirt of PSA Makassar. And of course, we as a club has to do everything to fundamental to make able that they are feeling like this. And I understand the youth today also youth mentality is changing in comparing with that time, because world is changing, but that this is the one more reason why we need strong to come back to PSM Makassar culture and to focus on that with the players. In our locker room was the one important thing. Every player needs to be same. Every player needs to have respect on base how he perform, but also on the base of human as a being human being. Locker room can never be divided from the point of foreigner players or local players. Everybody needs to be same. And of course, some player will have more respect and some player rest less, but that respect needs to become from the way of performing. On my time, William Klein, of course, get a huge respect in comparing with some other player, but this is from the point of performing, but from the point of respect each other as a man, as a person, as a colleague, has to be always 100%. So in the locker room, what for me most important is there is no dividing between local players or foreign players. Everybody needs to have, from that point of view, same respect, because everybody is the player of PSM Makassar. All players will know exactly what they need to do for the club and how they need to perform in the stead of the friends. So we will pay attention a lot for the culture and identify ourselves in the stadiums where we play. So change a locker room, changing room is atmosphere in the changing room is of course crucial for that. We will work on the hierarchy in the changing room, because this is also always changing, is evolution. When the team is changing, the players changing, hierarchy inside of the team is also changing. And this is also the process which will take the time, but this is also the segment which is very important to keep the good atmosphere also in the locker room. Everywhere where I work as a coach, and I work already in 8 different countries in my career, was for me as a coach one thing most important. To analyze where I find myself as a coach, in which environment, in which culture, in which part of the world, how people are thinking. So for me is the most important to adapt myself, adapt me as a person to the environment where I am working. Same here in Makassar. I'm strongly thinking about the culture because I need to deal with that culture, and I need to adapt to the local way of thinking, and not only different way, that the local culture needs to adapt to me, because this is not possible. So those players which you mentioned already in your question, those players knows me very well, and those players know also how I approach them on that time. Those players will have of course, special role in our team to actually express our experience from my first period through the changing room and also through all other players. And they know very well that the culture of PSM Makassar is very important for me. And I know for sure that those players, what you already mentioned, will think very strong from that point of view, and also bring back that culture in the changing room, in the locker room, between all other players. So that means that we will using them also to get the standard which I'm expecting from the team and from the locker room. After negotiations and during the negotiations with PSM Makassar, we get the conclusion that the temporary situation of PSM Makassar needs a longer time period to restore and to bring PSM Makassar back there where he belongs. And because last year a couple things was going really like say wrong, why PSM Makassar is finished last season number 15. This is not only a result of one year or one season. No, this is a result of couple years, working couple years on particular way, and why PSM Makassar make fall till number 15 in the league. That's why I'm signing contract of 3 years, because this is the project to build. This is the project. We will take the time to build up PSM Makassar back and to perform again, and be able to fight for the prizes. So on the first period is of course target to restore, to build up the new fundaments, to create strong technical department, to build up the team who can achieve fighting for the prizes in the future. And this is not something like turning light on and off, and so this will take time. But on the first period is also important that the gap what we have between the team and the fans will be closed, and that we grow to each other, and that we also make one strong team, not only team alone, but also together with our fans, also together with the people who are working in the club, that we restore the image of PSM Makassar, which is little bit destroyed last years. Image has to be that all players of Indonesia likes to come back to PSM Makassar, to play for PSM Makassar. And you see today that many young players also are leaving PSM Makassar. In my time was that different. So we need to change that. The young players from our academy needs to get the chances to play for the PSM Makassar, to be successful in PSM. So this is something which we will pay attention, and because also our youth needs to be fundament for the success in the future. That's why we will also pay a lot of attention for the youth department. We will need the people who are able to help us to develop the youth department again, to create new orphans, new riskiekas, new asnavis. So that is on the first point, the main main target. And then after that, of course, we will focus more on balance to achieve the results. But everybody who knows me as a coach knows that I like to win every game. I like to win every game in the training even. And of course, the target will be also to win every game when it's possible. I remember on my time in 2019 that we have really full stadium and with really fanatic fans, but also really sportive fanatic fans. I cannot remember on that time that we have any problem with our fans, to have some incidents or whatever. Stadium was fully crowded. But everybody was busy to supporting the team, and like I say a couple times before, of course, from that period is many things changing. We are also start to play at home games 150 kilometers from Makassar. And many things are changing. Importance that we be support from our supporters is huge. And why? Not only from the point of support, but also from the cultural point of view of PSM Makassar. PSM Makassar is a cultural heritage, same like some other things in this island in Sulawesi, and the people are looking PSM Makassar many years. The grandfathers and grandmothers take the children to the stadium, and today those children take their sons to the stadium. So this is something very special. To come to the stadium to support PSM Makassar is something cultural, and everybody needs to respect that. And it's not only entertainment, what I want to say. It's something which is the part of culture of Sulawesi, and we have only one team who plays in the Superliga on the highest level on this island, that is PSM Makassar. And I think everybody needs to respect that and to help and support PSM Makassar. And because we don't want to lose PSM Makassar, and because, like I say, this is something cultural, and we all have to be proud of the club. Of course, every club have ups and downs in their period, and normal. We also, as a club, PSM Makassar, have ups and downs. But real fan support the club the strongest at the moment when the club have most difficult. And I think the fans of PSM Makassar understand that, and for the fans, it's important that they feel also the good energy from the team, from the people who are working by PSM Makassar, and I believe they will feel it now, because I will do everything what is in my possibility to bring the culture of PSM Makassar back on the field. And like I say before, the space between the fans and the team needs to be closed, and we need to make one strong fist with each other to make strong Ewako again. And this is what we're going to work, and I believe 100% that the fans will come closer to us to make one strong fist again. I think it's important for the fans that they are informed and that they also know in which phase, on which time we are as a club, and we are as a club, as a team. So they need to be informed about those processes, and from the point of be informed on the right way, they can also understand that on which level we are on that moment as a team. And from that perspective, they can also have realistic targets for themselves. Of course, every supporter wants to win, but if they're gonna get informed on the right way, then they can also make realistic goals. And like I say a couple times before, I think the fans of PSM Makassar really wants one thing, and that is the fight on the field, and that is the most important for them. And I know that, and that's why we will work on that point from the first day when I start to work with my players. So I believe that they will be patient, same like we is gonna be, because every project takes some time, and they will identify themselves in the new PSM Makassar, I know 100%, and that needs to make integration process with the team. That's gonna speed the integration process with the team, and that is the most important thing, is that they will be integrate again with the team. So I believe that they will support us like they support us in my first period in PSM Makassar. Process who is at the front of us to bring PSM Makassar there, where PSM Makassar belonged to be, where PSM Makassar was on the time when we win the trophies. It's very hard process, and for that process, we need everybody to support the club. Not only coach who is coming, and it's not something that only me can change, that like turning the light on or off. This is management thing which needs to involve all of parties, and that is people who are working in the club. This is locals, foreigners, our fans, to change the image and support this process. We need all to be unified. So all those things what I says needs to become to each other and to be unified. Not only players need to be one strong part. Not only the people who are working inside of the club needs to be one strong part. Also our fans, what you mentioned, there are a couple group in our fans, needs to be a strong part. So everybody needs to be a strong part to come to each other to make strong fist, Ewako fist. So I'm also calling from this point to our fans to be unified, to be able to come closer to us, to make one strong team together, which gonna speed our time in the process to come again to the point to play for the prizes and achieve the prizes. That's logical. Of course, me as a coach who have big emotion and to this club and to these fans, because my hair on my hand and on my body was coming up in my period when I work here, and I feel that energy very intense. I know what I'm talking about. That's why all personal things doesn't gonna help our process to rebuild the club again. Personal things needs to go to the side. All segments, what I already mentioned, the club who are working in the team, players, fans, everybody needs to think and look through the glasses of PSM Makassar, to come all together and to make one strong, unified PSM Makassar.